Hi guys, my name is Melissa. If you haven't know my name, you can call me Mel for short. And thank you for watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to turn on that notification bell and subscribe the channel so you don't miss any of my videos on scuba tips, scuba facts, and eco dive living. So today I want to be sharing with you about organization at the dive center. So what I want to share with you, let's start with the tank. So obviously if we fill up the tank and we don't use it oftenly, right? So you want to more like label it like this. So I just wanted to share with you so that you can always rotate and make sure the tank that is been filled before is been used before you start using the newer one. So what I mean is more like this. So we have a label that use this first. So that means from the line here that we assemble it here, we have it and the arrow face this way. That means we use these tanks first. Then when it's done, we're gonna start using these. So we always have it like in a batch in a way. So that's one of the things that I want to share with you so that you're constantly using the air that that you feel it before than the newer one. Okay, so that's one. So let's talk about weight belt. So you see the system here. I love the system where we have all the sizes here, right? And then we just keep it at waist, hang it, so it's easier to just take it and it stays dry. Okay, so that's two things that basically talking about weight belt and tanks that I wanted to share with you if your dive center is pretty much like small, and how to organize your stuff and looks a little bit more neat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.